Welcome in It's the Law. Attorney Jay Davis here from James W. Davis & Associates. It's all over the national outlets right now. Trump has coined it Spygate.
Spygate.
Let him have it, Jay. What is this Spygate that Trump's talking about?
Well, what Trump's talking about is that he believes that there's likely, and I'm not sure that he's saying it as a fact yet or not, but there's indicators from the prior head of the FBI that there was some sort of spying going on, supposedly against Russia, that was inside and infiltrated the Trump camp, so to speak. So that's getting to be a hot topic.
Yeah, and a couple of media outlets have reported that yes, the FBI did place an informant into the Trump campaign.
There seems to be knowledge of who this informant is. There seems to be knowledge of who all he spoke with. I'm not quite positive yet that they've confirmed that this person that they're suspecting of this is the actual sort of mole inside the Trump camp. It appears that way through the eyes of the journalists that are reporting this. But we're still not seeing the facts yet, so still a little bit hesitant to go.
And we want the facts. We want the facts. So Trump calls for the DOJ to get into this, do an investigation. Does he have the authority to do that?
Absolutely. He has the authority to request that they do that. He doesn't necessarily. They're sort of an independent, a quasi-independent. They're still under his domain, so to speak.
Yeah, he is the chief of...
He's the one that's ahead of it. But once they take on a task, he doesn't then have the authority to go in there and sort of like tell them exactly how to do that and everything. So he's made the request that they do this. They seem to be taking the mantle up to begin this process. There's a lot of shady stuff that went on in that last war. I mean, Comey is just a weasel. I don't think there's any question about that on either side. You know, he either cost Clinton the election or he really, rolled over and messed over on Trump.
Exactly.
I mean, either way. So there's a lot of, for an organization that was held in such high regard, it's flatlined. It's flatlined. So it's going to have to get in there and be rebuilt by new players who are going to do it with a little bit more integrity, because the integrity is not showing, not in Mueller's case or any of the rest. We need. I'm one of the ones who say, let's go ahead and let the people know. Redact what you need to protect actual people in the fields and that type of thing, or counterparts in Russia, if that be the case. Redact what you need to and let the people see what's going on so we know what's happening.
I agree. And this is unusual. This is an unusual thing, and we're certainly interested. We'll find out more tomorrow when some of the FBI meets with a lot of the House Republicans. If there's a question you want answered or a topic for us to discuss, for Jay to discuss, I just ask the questions. Send an email to itsthelaw@41nbc.com. Thanks, Jay.
Sounds good.
Let's get